So, you know what? Making money online has never been easier than before. Listen to this. So, the competition right now is practically non-existent. I mean, think about it. If you are living a normal life at the moment, just like I was a couple of years ago, you probably have maybe 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 friends. What do they do? Are they also into business? Do they actually make money? Do they actually think about business? Do they want to make money? They're starting a business and so on. Probably not, right? Because my friends weren't, at least. And you're not the only one. What, this video might have a couple thousand views? Well, pretty much every single other person that is watching this, they're probably in the same stage, which means that there actually isn't that many people wanting to actually start a business. Now, matter of fact, I might change that around. Like, there's a lot of people that want to, there's not a lot of people that actually do it. In most people's cases, they go to work or they're at uni, whatever. They come home, they're pretty tired. Maybe they go gym, probably not. Scroll TikTok endlessly. They drink, smoke, party, and then they expect the world. But that's not quite how the world works. You simply have to sacrifice certain things to achieve others. You cannot really have everything at the same time. Perhaps there's a stage in life where I haven't achieved it yet, but maybe when you're a multi-billionaire, you could maybe have everything. But even then, in order to get there, you must have sacrificed a lot. But anyway, the point of this video is I want to get you to actually think the correct way. And the biggest takeaway from this lesson is going to be that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So if you decide to go out this Friday or this Saturday and you end up drinking, and that's your action, and you think, well, it's okay because Monday is only a couple of days away. By Monday, I'm going to be okay. I'm going to get back to it. Well, there is a better version of you somewhere out there who isn't going to go out that Friday and Saturday, who is actually going to stay in on a Saturday, Sunday, plan, also educate themselves, get better, go to the gym. And then by Monday, not only are they more sharper, planned, ready, prepared, they know exactly what they're doing and they're ahead of you. And this compounds. You know, this is maybe just one weekend we're talking about. What about, 52 weekends out of the year? And all of a sudden, all of these tiny little decisions that you think that don't really matter or maybe not that important, they matter a lot at the end of the year. And I digress. Going back to the main point, which is that there's not really much competition right now. It might seem like it. Maybe if you're following me, you're following people like Iman, Samuel, Anuha, and the Anuha brothers, etc. It might seem like everybody's making millions and millions online. Everybody's got supercars, or everyone's coming to Dubai on jet skis and they're doing this and this and they're having fun and they're making so much money. But really and truly, there's not actually that many people who actually put in the work and stay consistent with it. It's very easy to come to Dubai and fake it for a little while, but there's not many that actually live this life consistently, week in and week out, for years. I mean, if you don't know me, you can go back onto my YouTube, onto my Instagram, @MarcusHussle, and you can see that I've been doing this for years. And that's not to flex or brag, it's just, it's physically impossible to do this if you don't actually live what you preach. And I'm a massive component of just hard work. There is no shortcut, there is no easy way. There is no, hey, how do I make it quick, easy, right now, guaranteed? I guess there is actually one, which is just hard work. The only way you can guarantee success is if you put in the hard work. I met hundreds and hundreds of very, very successful people here in Dubai, London, when I travel around Europe. And look, there's obviously a common trait between all of us. It's just we're obsessed. Like, we're so obsessed with work. As soon as I wake up, the first thing that I do is I check my messages and emails. Who can I sell to? What kind of deals I can make? What partnerships I can create? What deals can I push forward so they actually convert and I get paid, right? And I do that from the second I wake up to the point where I go to sleep. And it compounds as well. When you're starting out, it's super difficult, because when you're starting out, it seems like you're putting in all this effort, energy, and you're not really getting the results. But that's just how life is. Think about it. If you plant a seed of a tree and you water it the first day, the second day you water it, the third day you water it, a week you've been watering this fucking seed. It's in the soil. It's in literally mud and dirt. And what, after a week, do you have a tree? Is it a massive oak tree within the first week? No, obviously not. But if you keep doing this consistently, watering it, making sure the sunlight is on it, making sure it's all in a good area, within maybe 4, 5, 10 years, before you realize it, it's a massive oak tree, standing very tall and proud. Well, your business, your career, everything is going to be exactly the same. And now it's easy for me to sit here and say these things and for you to hear it and understand it, but it's very difficult for you to actually live it in real life every single day. You know, another analogy that I always like to give is you watching this home right now. Think about the best of the best. It can be a person, right? And it doesn't matter what field. Maybe it's football, singing, rap, acting, whatever it is. Think about the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Got it? Now think how long that person has been doing that thing for. I really doubt that it's only been a couple of months. I really doubt that it's been a couple of years. Most likely, it's a decade or more. 10 years is quite a long time, yeah. But it's all relative. If you ask a 20-year-old, how do you think 10 years is a long time? They'll say, yeah, that's such a long time, because they relate it to their own paradigms. To them, that's half of their lifetime. If you ask somebody who's 60 years of age, hey, you know, if you put money into this investment, in 10 years, you're gonna make 10 million. All right, cool, yeah, let's do that. Because to them, 10 years is 1/6 of their lifetime. And it's an interesting thought. But either way, 10 years definitely is a long time. And it does take a long time to achieve any sort of success. Now, there are some people that get very lucky. They put money into the right coin at the right time, crypto explodes, and they genuinely make $1 million or $2 million. But my friend, don't look at things like that. Those are anomalies. That doesn't happen every single day. And even if it does happen to those people, believe it or not, it's actually quite difficult for them to keep that success and maintain it and multiply it because they got lucky. In order to actually sustain wealth and in order to actually grow, you must go through the hard, painstaking days and weeks where it feels like, what's the point? Do you not think that I've had that? Some of you guys might think that I've had it super easy, or I got lucky, or I have it easy now. There has been days and weeks where I've genuinely contemplated, is this really what I should be doing? Do I actually want to make billions of dollars? Do I actually want to slave away 3, 4, 5 in the morning every single day and work super fucking hard to achieve this? It happens. And not everybody does, by the way, and it's completely fine. If you just want to make $10,000 a month, I mean, I truly think that the business model that I'm in, there's no better way. And it's not crypto, it's not SMA, it's not dropshipping, e-commerce, it's something completely different. If you're interested, there's a link down below to an entirely free course that you can check it out. But hopefully this video has gotten you to kind of think differently and understand from a millionaire's point of view. I'm just kind of cooking right now, right? Hopefully this video has been a couple minutes, and I just wanted to brain dump a bunch of kind of thoughts and ideas that I've had, and hopefully this has inspired you guys to think in the correct way. If you have any questions about the things that I've just mentioned here, message me on Instagram @MarcusHussle, and I'd love to answer your questions and have a chat in the DMs.